Hello my dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about the exercise number 1.3. Okay, in last class we already solved the question number 1 in exercise number 1.3. Is it right? So now in this class we have to solve the question number 2. See here, read question number 2 first. Give a rough estimate by rounding up to nearest hundreds and as well as also closer estimate by rounding up to nearest tens. Okay, nearest tens. Is it right? So first we have to solve this first one example by rounding up to nearest hundreds. Okay, first we have to give the estimate by rounding up to nearest hundreds, and after that we have to write or you have to give the estimate by rounding up to nearest tens. Okay, first we have to rounding up nearest hundreds. Okay, so 439 rounding up to 439 rounding up to, see here, 439 is rounding up to nearest 100, which means 39 is close or 39 is nearest to 100. Sorry, 39 is nearest to 0 than to 100. Is it right? So that's why we have to write here the 439 rounding up to 400. Is it right? Next, 334 rounding up to 300. Why 300? 34 is rounding up to 300 because 34 is nearest to 0 than to 100. Is it right? So that's why the 100 place write as it is and 2 digits becomes 0. Is it right? Now see here. 4317 is rounding up to 4000 place you have to write as it is. Is it right? 5000 place you have to write as it is because now we have to rounding up to nearest hundreds. Is it right? So which means we have to think about only these 3 digits, and after that 17 is nearest to 0 or 100. Yes, 17 is nearest to 0. Is it right? So that's why the 100 place write as it is and 2 digits becomes 0. Is it right? So now we have to add these 3 numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 7, sorry, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. This is right. So take one carry and 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so the estimated sum is 5000. Is it right? Now we have to rounding up closer estimate. Now we have to find the closer estimate by rounding up to nearest tens. Is it right? This rounding up is nearest to hundreds. Is it right? Now we have to find the nearest tens. So 439 rounding up to. So now 100 place you have to write as it is. Is it right? Now I have to think only these 2 digits. Now see here, 9 is nearest to 0 or 10. 9 is lies between 0 to 10. Is it right? Now we have to find the 9 is nearest to 0 or 10. Yes, 9 is nearest to 10. Is it right? So that's why our 10th place is right next to 3. Okay, after 3 we have to write 4. Is it right? So 440. Next, see here, 334 rounding up to 4. 3 first 100 place is right as it is, and next 4 is closer to 0 or 10. Yes, 4 is closer to 0. So that's why our 10th place write as it is, and 1's place value becomes 0. Is it right? Now see here, 4000 317, rounding up to, so 4,000, 1,000 place write as it is and 100 place write as it is. Now have to discuss about only one's place. 7 is nearest to 0 or 10. Yes, 7 is nearest to 10. So that's why the 10th place value you have to write next to 1. Okay, after 1 you have to write 2. So 1 place value becomes 0 here. Is it right? So now we have to add this all three numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. And next 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Next 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 0 here and take carry. And 4 plus 1, 5. 5,090. Is it right? This is estimated sum. Estimated sum is equal to 5,090. Okay. Now we have to solve the next question. Okay. Question number B. This is 599. Okay. See here. First we have to write or we have to rounding up this number. Okay. So 1,08,734 is rounding up to. So till 1,000 you have to write as it is, because now we have to write or now we have to rounding up to nearest hundreds place. Okay. So first till 1,000 place you have to write as it is 108. 108. Okay. Now 7 is the 100 place. Okay. See here now 34. 34 is nearest to 0 or 100. Yes, 34 is nearest to 0. So that's why 100 place value you have to write as it is, and remaining 2 place will be 0. Is it right? Next, see here. 47,599. Rounding up to 47,000 means 47 right as it is. Next 599. 99 is nearest to 100. Is it right? So that's why the 100 place value is right next to 5. So after 5, 6. Okay. The next 2 digits will be 0, 0. Next minus. Here the estimated difference is equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 1. Next 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, 6. Take 1 carry, 1 minus 1, 0. So 61,000 rate. Is it right? So estimated difference is 61,100. It is nearest to hundreds, rounding up to nearest hundreds. Okay, now we have to find the by rounding up to nearest tens. Is it right? See here. Next, so 1,08,734. Rounding up to. Now till 100 place you have to write as it is right? So 1087. 1087. Now we have to discuss about only this 10th place value. Is it right? Now see here, 1 place value is 4. 4 is nearest to 0 or 10. Yes, 4 is nearest to 0. Is it right? So that's why the 10th place write as it is. 10th place value write as it is, and 1 place value becomes 0. Is it right? Next, see here, 47,599. Rounding up to till 100 place you have to write as it is. Okay, so 47 and 5. Next, now we have to discuss about only this 99. Is it right? So 9 is nearest to 10. Is it right? 9 is nearest to 10. So that's why our 10th place value becomes right next to 9. Okay, after 9 you have to write 10. So therefore here the 99 becomes 100. 99 becomes 100. Is it right? So write here 100. So 100 plus 500. 100 plus 500 becomes 600. Is it right? So you have to write 600. Okay, now we have to write here 600. Now we have to subtract. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, then 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, and 10 minus 4, 6, 1 carry and 0. 61,130 is estimated. Estimated difference will be 61,130. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the next question. Okay. Now we have to solve A and B. Now we have to discuss about the question number C and D. Okay. See here now. This is question number D and this is question number C. These two examples you have to solve in at your home. Okay, just I will give some hints. Okay, see here these number, so 4,89,348. Okay, is rounding up nearest to 100. Is rounding up nearest to 100. See here 4,89,000, right, as it is. Next, you have to change this. 48 is nearest to 0, so therefore this is 300. Is it right? Next, see here 48,365 is rounding up. 48 you have to write as it is. The next 65 is nearest to 100. Is it right? So that's why 300 becomes now here 400. Now we have to here subtract. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Then see here 3 is smaller than 4. Is it right? So therefore 13 minus 4, 13 minus 4, 9. 13 minus 4, 9. Is it right? Next take 1 carry. 9 minus 9, 0. And 8 minus 4, 4. 4 as it is. Is it right? See here 4,40,900. Next, nearest to 100. Okay. See here 4,89,348 is rounding up to, so 4, 8, 9 and 3 till 100 plus you have to write as it is, and 8 is nearest to 0 or 10. 8 is nearest to 10. So therefore the change the 10th place to next place is 0. Okay, 50. 48 rounding up 50. Is it right? Next, see here 48,365 is rounding up to. Okay, in your homework book you have to write here. Okay, you have to write here the 4,89,348 rounding up to. Okay, you have to add here rounding up to, and your answer will be estimated difference. Is it right? Now just I have to solve in short. Okay, see here now 48,365 is rounding up to nearest 10th place is till 100 place you have to write as it is, and 65. 5 is equidistance to 0 and 10, but the 5 is you have to consider nearest to 10. So that's why the 10th place is right next to, so 10th place is right next to 6. Okay, means 7, 0. Now we have to subtract 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. Next 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7, 8. Take 1 carry. 3 minus 4 means 13 minus 4, 9. 1 carry, 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. And 4 as it is. So 4,40,980. Is it right? So now we have to solve this question. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, we have to solve this question. So we shall start here. In the next class, we have to discuss about the next question, question number 3. Okay, I hope you understood. I hope you understood this concept. Okay, next class we have to solve the question number 3. Okay, so thank you.